Hello, my friend. It's another day, another episode from Wide Creativity Studio. In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can change the outfits. Yeah, I want to show you step by step. It's very easy to follow. I want to tell you how you can change the outfit to this in Photoshop. So I'll show you how you can do that in a few seconds, in a few minutes. So you can try it. Yeah. So my name is Samson. So if for the first time you are watching my video, please don't hesitate to like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be the first person to notify when I upload a educating, amazing, good technique video like this. So for the further ado, let's jump to the video. So this is the picture I want to use. So let me off this right here like this. So this is the picture I want to use. You can use any kind of picture. So this is the picture I want to use. So if you like this picture, so I can put it in the link in description for you, so you can follow along. So the next step is to want to use some tools, and you can use this particular tool there. You call it, you can say right click here like this, you will see Lattice tools. So this tool I want to use is very easy to follow, very easy to use. So just be careful when you are doing it. So in this particular one, so to start, let's click on the main picture. So I already duplicate the image, you can see. So let's start from this. Let's start from this. So for the start, let's start the videos. So just be careful, do it gently like this, just follow. So don't worry about this. Don't worry. So you can see it's already do the needful for us. So the next step is to Ctrl J. You locate your control. You press Ctrl J on your keyboard. Ctrl J. You can see it. Ctrl J. I'll check this. You can see it is already. So the next step is in this particular one is I want to go back to my magic tools. To do that, you right click here like this. You will see the option. You will see the magic wonder tools. So shortcut is W. You click W on your keyboard like this. So the next step is is already on the outfit that you remove. You just click here like this. So we delete this part. You can see it. Ctrl Z again. Yeah, you can see it's already deleted that part for us. You can see it's already deleted that part for us. Ctrl D to deselect. So let's put our magic tools to this place again. You can see it. You delete that. To delete that one, you just click on your backspace. Let me go back again. Ctrl Z. Yeah. After you do the magic tool like this, you click on your backspace on your keyboard. You can see it deletes. You just press Ctrl D to deselect. If you do not get it right, Ctrl D to select, you go back to your select here. You see it. You see select. Ctrl plus D to deselect. Fine. Let me zoom it very well. So zoom is Ctrl plus. Yeah. You see this particular one like this. You click here like this. Backspace again. Ctrl D to deselect. You can see it. You can see it's not yet done. One thing I want to do here is you check this particular white that I'm doing. You do it like this. You can see it's already a light on it. Backspace again, already deleted. I don't need that one back. Just Ctrl D to deselect again. To remove this one, you locate your. You can use the magic tools. So, let's locate our lasso tools. Yeah, shortcut is L. You click on L on your keyboard. So we want just to do that out. Just be careful. So we want to do. I think it's not. You can see it is not doing it. It's not showing the accurate one. I don't like it. Let me press Ctrl D to deselect again. The next thing is, one thing I want to do, let me use my pen tools. Yeah, that one is accurate. You click here like this. You click on your Alt to add another. Yeah. Click on Alt again and check this here like this. So you press Ctrl and Enter on your keyboard. You click on the backspace and see it. So if you don't get the pencils, let me go back again, Ctrl Z. If you don't get it, Ctrl D to deselect again. You can use the magic tools. Let's check where it is. It's not working for us. Ctrl D to select. So one thing is you can use polygons. You can use the polygon tools to do that. And see it. You can use the polygon tools to do that. That one will work. That's it. It's fine. You can see it is already moved. So you locate it down like this. You can see it down. As we have done here. You just do the same. So you'll be doing it gently. Don't rush. Yeah, don't rush at all. Click here like this. You can see it is also. Press your backspace again. You click on your Control D to deselect. So select it. You can see our image already done. So let's place on this the main picture. Yeah, you can see it. So to do that again, let me click again. Let me convert it to smart object. It's already smart object. To change the, so you just click on your Control plus U. Yeah, so it will give you full saturation. So you can play along at the cloth like this. You can change this. You can see how you change the cloth. You can see it. You can change the amount of cloth, or you can rasterize, colorize. You can click on the colorize like this, so you can do the parts here like this. You can see it's already changed the cloth for us. You can see it. So this is how it works. You can press OK. So the reason why I converted to smart object is that if I want to change the color again, so we think I can change the color again. So if I put it on the rasterizing layer, it will not give us. If you want to change it, you cannot change it again. It's already done that. But this one, if you want to change the color again, so you just double click on the saturation like this. So you can play along again. You can change the clothes. You can see it. It's changing the clothes. So I think I like this one. Yeah, like this. So you can increase your saturation like this. I think this is too much. I think I like this one like this. It's giving me the cool vibes. So I think I like this one like this. I'll press OK. Because I like that one. Yeah. This is how you can do it. You can do it with the multiple clothes. So you can see it. This is the before, this is the after. This is the before, this is the after. So it's very simple technique you can use. Yeah. Can do it for any kind of pictures. So really, I just said I should share you this technique. So you can use it for your image or any kind of design you want to design, that you want to change the clothes, the outfit. So this is what video about. So if for the first time you are watching my video and this video is helping you a lot, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So don't forget to turn on the notification bell. My name is Samson, right? Your one and only White Creativity Studio. So bye for now. Bye. See you in the next episode.